Is your PS5 character moving by itself? Is the camera slowly drifting even when you are not touching the controller? This problem is called stick drift. It is one of the most frustrating issues for gamers. But the good news is, many PS5 controllers can be fixed in minutes, and you do not need to buy any new parts. First, let us understand the problem quickly. Stick drift happens when the analog stick sends movement signals even when you are not touching it. This is often caused by dust, minor software glitches, or sensor misalignment inside the stick. Now let us fix it step by step. Step 1. Reset the PS5 controller. Many people skip this step, but it actually fixes many software-related drift issues. Turn off your PlayStation 5 console. Disconnect the controller from the USB cable. Now flip the controller and look at the back. Near the Sony logo, you will see a tiny hole. Insert a pin or paper clip into that hole. Press and hold it for about 5 seconds. Now connect the controller using the USB cable. Press the PlayStation button to reconnect it. This reset recalibrates the analog sticks and clears temporary glitches. Test the controller again. Step 2. Update the controller software. Sometimes stick drift is caused by outdated firmware. Go to Settings, then go to Accessories, then go to Controllers, then select Wireless Controller Device Software. Check if an update is available. If you see an update, install it. Updates can fix controller bugs and improve calibration accuracy. After updating, restart the console and test the sticks again. Step 3. Recenter the analog stick. This trick is very popular in gaming communities and repair tutorials. Hold the drifting analog stick. Rotate it slowly in full circles. Do this about 20 to 30 times. Rotate clockwise for 10 seconds. Then rotate counterclockwise for 10 seconds. This movement can realign the internal potentiometer sensors inside the stick. Now release the stick and check if the drift is gone. Step 4. Clean the analog stick without opening the controller. Dust and carbon debris are the most common causes of drift. Turn off the controller first. Move the analog stick to one side. Blow compressed air around the base of the stick. Rotate the stick while cleaning all around it. Next, take a cotton swab. Add a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Gently clean around the base of the analog stick. Rotate the stick again while cleaning. Then leave it for 5 minutes to dry. Dust and oil buildup inside the stick sensor can cause false movement signals. Cleaning often fixes the issue completely. Step 5. Adjust the dead zone in games. If the drift is very small, this method works surprisingly well. Open the controller settings inside your game. Find the option called Dead Zone. Increase the dead zone slightly. This tells the game to ignore tiny stick movements near the center. It is not a permanent fix, but it can make your controller usable again. Step 6. When none of these fixes work. If the drift still continues, the internal sensor may be worn out. In that case, the best option is warranty replacement. Sony usually replaces drifting controllers within the first year, but try all the previous steps first. Most drift problems are caused by dust or software glitches. If you try these steps and still face any problem, comment below. Explain your issue clearly. I reply to every comment within 1 hour. If this guide helped you, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes for more simple tech fixes. Stay calm. Your controller is not dead yet. Most stick drift problems can be fixed with the right steps.